Dolphin Vizag, with 40 years of signature hospitality, caters to diverse guest profiles, holidaymakers, corporates for business meets, conferences, weddings, honeymooners, birthday parties, shows and other celebrations. Welcome to Dolphin Hotel Vizag, synonymous with warm hospitality and quality service set in the heart of the city. Just follow me to experience the splendid hotel. Rooms and suites in the hotel come in true variety. Executive rooms, premium rooms, deluxe suites, executive suites. The executive rooms are tastefully done up and classic in disposition. Find yourself in the midst of Italian decor and fabrics with rich texture. LCD TV, Wi-Fi connectivity, herbal toiletries, hairdryer, DJ safe and all the necessary amenities are available. This is the premium room with well-designed interiors and indulgent service. Stay refreshed amid the lush and inviting space, aesthetically designed to evoke the warmth. Here, the panoramic pool view is breathtaking. It's premium accommodation for a special experience. Just lounge in the lavish setting and soak up the ambience. The deluxe suites offer an exquisite view of pool along with adorable dolphin waterfalls. The well-appointed executive suite offers access to all the amenities you expect. The spacious and elegant rooms would absolutely charm you. Excellent choice for guests looking for a vacation which is laid back yet loaded with luxury. The charming ambience is a treat. Step into Cascades Coffee Shop. You will just love the fresh seasonal juices and munchies with tea and coffee. You can have delectable lunch and dinner here, both buffet and a la carte. The buffet breakfast offers Indian, South Indian and continental variety with a live counter. Welcome to Horizon, the multi-cuisine restaurant on 7th floor. Overlooking the sprawling city would serve you delectable delicacies. And in the evening, relish your dinner with live band. Time to chill and guzzle down some cool beer at Woodhouse, the bar. The striking decor and the grooving music would stay with you long after you relish your favorite blends. The trendy selection of beverages would quickly get you in a party mood. The swimming pool with a lovely lounge area is just gorgeous. It's where one would want to dive right in and float the blues away. Children too can have absolute fun time in the pool. It's excellent to unwind in the serene ambience. What about invoking a sense of well-being? I will tell you how. At Olympia, the state-of-the-art health club, you can get into the fitness routine. Just do it at your own pace. Is pumping iron your idea of good time? The trained instructors will always guide you as you do the cardio and weight training. Here, the options are plenty to unwind and relax after a tiring day. Be it aerobics, workout in the gym, a quick swim in the pool or steam bath. Kalinga Banquet Hall is named after the mighty empire. The layout, settings and the ambience here are designed to reflect the same richness. Welcome to Senate, the banquet hall. With a modern and stately connotation, it is most equipped to host events for large get-togethers in a true grand style. At Vasundhara, banquets promise the warmth. Excellent banqueting facilities are available for various events of corporates, weddings, parties and other gatherings. Admiral pays tribute to the Eastern Naval Command. If you are looking for inspiring and cozy space for board meetings, workshops and talks, Admiral Banquet Hall is best suited for the purpose. The expansive parking area is hassle-free and accommodates a fleet of vehicles. Come and experience the top-class hospitality your friendly host in the port city. Hope to see you soon.